Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video guys. My name is Daneska. In today's video I'm going to be doing the Popeyes chicken sandwich. It's not the spicy version, it's the regular I guess. I know most people have tried the spicy chicken. Me personally, I love it. It's one of my favorite chicken sandwiches as far as from Popeyes. So today I'm going to try this one for the first time and see how I like it. So here it goes. And this is the packaging that it comes in. Okay, so they have it in a wrap. This is what it's looking like. I'm trying to see as far as for a thumbnail. Okay. Let's see what the inside is looking like. So it has the bread, the meat, and then I guess this is like a mayo. And I don't know if you can see it good, but it has 2 pieces of pickle on it. And you guys, I know I mentioned before about every time I make an order with the fast food place, my order be wrong. Well, guess what? It's wrong again. I don't know if you guys can see it up here. Let me see. It's not focusing right, but it's actually supposed to be the spicy chicken sandwich. But instead I got the regular one, so it's all good. I'm gonna see what it's tasting like. They give you a nice piece of meat. Pour a little drink right here. It's pretty good. Just got a bite with the pickle. It's good. Now, Jerry also ate one of the sandwiches. He didn't want his pickles, so I'm going to add it to mine. Now, to me, this meat looks smaller than the original piece that I got before with the spicy chicken. I don't know if y'all can see, but like a good portion of the bread is missing some of the meat. The chicken is nicely seasoned. It's really good. Now, if you don't like spice, then this is a good alternative as far as like the chicken sandwich. Getting the regular flavor is a good alternative. It's still well seasoned, tastes good, but me personally, I prefer the spicy chicken over this one. If you guys have tried both of them, Leave me a comment, let me know which one of the two you prefer. Do you like the spicy chicken one or the original non-spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes? The pickles help give it a nice little kick. Some good stuff. Whoever came up with this recipe knew what they was doing. Yeah, for real. So good. I also have little mac and cheese from them. Okay. Mac and cheese tastes like it needs something. I don't know if it needs some salt, pepper, it needs something. It's kind of like just plain. Nothing special about it. Maybe it needs some hot sauce. It needs something. How's everyone doing? I hope you are all having a blessed day, a blessed week. Jerry's bringing me some hot sauce. I'm gonna put some on this mac and cheese and see if it tastes any better. Let's see. That's the Texas Pete hot sauce. Let me see. It still needs something. It probably needs some salt. But I'm gonna eat it like this. You guys probably wondering how come the mac and cheese isn't on this receipt. I actually went to Popeyes 2 times for today. When I originally went, I did a 9-piece chicken family combo with fries and what else? It was fries, mac and cheese, biscuit, 9-piece chicken. And that was for my family to eat. Then I went back because, like I told y'all, Jerry is a picky eater. So he didn't want any of the chicken and stuff that I bought. So I went back to get him the spicy chicken sandwich. And I don't know if you could tell, but on this receipt, I only paid for one sandwich. They gave me two, so they messed up on the order. I ended up getting two sandwiches. I paid for one sandwich and two pies. Two these. But they ended up giving me two sandwiches and two pies, so I'm not even complaining. The only thing is the sandwiches aren't what I requested. I wanted the spicy chicken, but this is good too, so it's all good. I ain't even mad about it. It just seemed like in my area, excuse me, where I live, they can never get your order right. But in this instance, I ended up winning because I got more than what I paid for. You guys, I am all done with the sandwich. I enjoyed it. It is delicious. I recommend it. If you don't like spicy stuff, definitely try the regular chicken sandwich. You will not regret it. Anyway, you guys, I thank you so much for viewing my video. I thank you to all my new subscribers. It is so greatly appreciated. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what else you would like to see. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.